You win some, and I guess you lose some. This one right here, I'm losing at this point. I said, hey, yo, it's your boy Tulu, man, back with another video. How y'all doing today, man? How y'all doing today? Y'all already know I'm all ears. How you doing? How you doing? Well, hey, you already know what I say. If everything ain't going right for you right now, man, within 5, 10, 15 minutes, next week, hey, tomorrow, next year, which is in a couple of weeks, hey, everything could be better for you. You could definitely be in a better situation. So chin up, keep trucking, you know? All right, man, so y'all pretty much know why we here today. You know what I'm saying? We about to go ahead and try to install this dash, man. Y'all already know my birthday coming this weekend, bro. So, you know what I'm saying? We done got everything pretty much figured out. Done went to Harbor Freight this morning. Got some stuff. I need some other stuff, but man, we about to definitely get into it, man. But we definitely got some things that we gonna need. What in the world was that? Boy, people tripping. Got us a light because we're gonna be over here working in the dark today, over here in the car. So man, so y'all pretty much got everything in here, bro. I've been doing my research. Got our panel in here. Got our little cluster pin out, you know what I'm saying? So we can truly get to it, man. So look, y'all already know. Disclaimer for the new people, you know what I'm saying? I am not a professional, nor do I claim to be. I have never done any of this stuff that y'all seeing me attempt to do it. But we gonna try it. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna try it. It does have some stuff that it's saying that I'm gonna need. This is definitely kind of I'm a little nervous. You know what I'm saying? Intimidated. Hey, but we gonna try it though. We're gonna try it, man. So hey, y'all go ahead and stay tuned. Let's go ahead and get this thing set up. See what we gonna start cutting first. Sheesh. Let's go. All right, y'all. So the first thing I wanted to do before we connect the battery, remember to connect the battery when you're working on these circuits and stuff, man. The first thing I wanted to do is this right here. All right, so I think, well, I'm gonna just go off my ground, which is number 11 pin right there. Man, y'all make sure y'all do y'all research, man. This is the pin out of the cluster right here. Well, for the cluster pin out right there. So and man, shout out to my guys who just helped me out on the live. If y'all was in there, man, I appreciate y'all, man, for real. All right, so what I'm looking at though is my battery powers right here, that red and that pink, that red right there and this pink. Okay, so both of them are calling for a 12 volt terminal, right? Okay, so looking at my pin out right here, if y'all see, hold on, I don't know if y'all can see real good. All right, if y'all look, all of my powers are 9 volts. All of my powers are 9 volts. So I already know with one of these, I was gonna go up here. Hopefully y'all can see, man. But I was gonna go up here to that top one pin, right here, right there, and I got me one for that. So what I can just do is probably find me another pin for that pink wire it needs to be a key on, not a constant. It needs to be a key on. So we're gonna find another one of those key ons, and we're gonna get it in there. All right, y'all, so let me set y'all up. Let's find which ones we're gonna use and then disconnect this battery. All right, I'm gonna check this. All right, none of these should really have power. I don't have the key on, right? Don't have the key on. Oh, let me see something else. I see these 2 5s. All right, they don't have power, right? So, switch it on. So we should have power. No? Oh, yeah. There it is. Okay, we got power there. Let's see where else we got. No. No. There. What's that? This is ignition. Ignition. Okay, so we got it here and here. So I think I'm gonna put my red wire right here and my pink one. Oh, where was it? Oh, here? Where was it at? Oh, here. All right, so here and here. All right, man, let's go ahead and pop this doggone. Just checking. Let's go ahead and pop this doggone battery off and get the wiring out. All right, man, so we got our wire, got some red and black wire. If I have to make any other ones, then I'm gonna just have to label it or write it down what I put it for. So next step is to see here how I'm gonna try to tackle this, because I feel like working from right here is gonna be tough, man. So I'll probably push this pin out back down and then just work on it from down there under the floor. Like, cause man, that's gonna be hard just trying to mess and do those little wires, plus put the butt connectors and everything else on it that I'm gonna need. So yeah, let's do that. Let's move this back up out of here and then start the cutting, G. Let's go. Yeah, that is dope. I don't know how. I'm gonna have to take this back off. Where's my... I don't even know if y'all can see. I'm all in the way. Alright, man. Let's see if I can. Dang, then that other piece is still on the back of it, bro. Man. Dang, y'all. We're gonna have to read. Dang. I should just be able to like pull it back up out of there though, man. Dang. No, I'm gonna need that space. I ain't gonna try to break it. Let's go ahead and take the rest of these off. Dang, that means I'm gonna have to probably take the other one off too, off the other piece, man. Dang. All right, y'all hold tight right there. Make sure y'all can see. All right, so have this off of here. Man, it's gonna be heck trying to get this little piece. Trying to just get it away from it. But I'm gonna have to loosen it up though. Hopefully just the top one's right here. Let me grab my little ratchet. I'll just use this. Hopefully I can just take the tops off right here, or loosen them up at least. Snap, are they a smaller size? Oh snap, I think they're a smaller size. Oh. Lord, I had to do all this over again, huh? Hey. Man, I don't want to back that all the way out. Back that all the way out like that. Hopefully I can just get a little bit of space, man. It just, no, it ain't gonna let me be great, bro. Dang. Alright, we're gonna have to take this back apart. If y'all didn't see how I did that in the last video, go back and see how I put it together. I'm gonna take it apart, put it back together, and then we just gonna go from there. I'll just show y'all where I'm putting the wire at. We'll be right back. All right, man, y'all see we that up back up in there, and we got our harness pushed back, you know, so I'll be able to work on it from under there, which will probably be the simplest way. So next thing that I'm gonna do is pretty much start my wiring. I'm gonna start making the wires that I need, which I'm only gonna need about 2 or 3. So I'm gonna do that. Well, I'm gonna throw the panel up there first so we can go ahead and have our wires down there, you know what I'm saying, so I can kind of get everything situated how I want it to go. And man, we just about to go from there. All right, let me set y'all up. So the first thing we need to do is put one of these spacers in. I think I'm gonna just use the bigger spacer. I don't know if you gotta peel like the little cover off this or what. Yeah, I think you do. Should have just peeled that off. Should just leave it on. I don't care. For real. That goes on. Dang, is this one too big? Or is that on the right way? It's gotta be on the right way because those little mountain hoses right there. And lays like such. I don't know, that one is kind of thick. That one is kind of thick. We might just go with the smaller one, smaller spacer. Alright, yeah, we're gonna go with the smaller one. This one right here should be good enough. If not, like I said, all this stuff isn't finalized, man. putting all of it in. Then we're gonna go back through it, make sure we got it right. We're gonna hook it up, make sure it works, figure out the flaws. Sorry y'all, trying to adjust this camera, man, get y'all right. It's not letting me. Oh man, gracious. All right, here we go. All right, now, boy, hold on, y'all. Cool. All right, let's grab this dash. This panel. All right, we just gonna slide them wires pretty much back down through here where that harness was at. Try to keep everything on here, such as my little tabs and everything. I'm down there. And yeah, you want to put this spacer on because then you can't put that wire harness through there. After the fact. All right, so pretty much got it up there. Or as y'all see, the wires is ran. Back there, I'll just be able to pull them down once I get under there. And man, let's get the hooking up everything. Now I did take me a break and kind of think a little bit about some of the connectors down here, especially where I'm going to be tapping into this into that fuse block up there. And as y'all on the paperwork, you know what I'm saying, I'm trying to give detail because somebody might come behind me and I haven't found a video up here yet about like fully installing this thing. So hopefully I can help somebody out in the future. If y'all look right here, so for that, the wires that we about to make are pretty much that ground, which I don't really think about that ground, but that red, that battery, we got, you know, it asked for that inline 5 amp fuse, and also for this pink, it asked for that 5 amp fuse. So what your boy did, went to my local O'Reilly store, and they had some of these. These are pretty much the fusible links, where you could pretty much tap in and, you know, throw your fuse in there. You know, we got these connectors right here, which is gonna slide into our fuse box down there. Let's go ahead and get everything set up. Cross y'all fingers, man. We do got the battery unplugged. Unplug the battery. If you're working on these circuits, unplug the battery. All right, y'all, let's go. This is gonna suck, man. My goodness, like these wires are super short, bro. This is definitely gonna suck. All right, y'all. Man, I had to make some more space, man. Whew. All right. So what I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to do is go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and make the ends that go up into those, up into the, I'm sorry y'all, I'm all over the place. This gonna be tighter than I thought. These wires was gonna be a little longer than they were. It's definitely about to be rough, but we about to get it in. So we about to go ahead and do these ends first. Hopefully I don't have to add on any other wire, but we do got wire if need be. So let's just stop talking, man. Go ahead and get to it. All right, man, so we got this piece. I guess I'm gonna just choose what end I'm gonna run. So I'm gonna just choose this end that I'm going to the fuse box. Take out one of these connectors, and y'all see it pretty much goes right. Twist it together a little bit so it's not all frayed. Send it right down in there. Definitely seat it properly right there. Then grab our crimpers. Hold it tight as I can, like right there. Alright, and then you already know on your crimpers it should show you which one it is. Squeeze on there real good. Yes, sir. Alright, pull on it. You know what I'm saying? You want to check it. Pull on it. So that one's good. As y'all see, simple as that. You know what I'm saying? We got one of them. Let's go ahead and do this other one real quick. Boom. Alright, so we got both of them. So now what we can do is take this, let's slide back to where we was on that fuse block. Hopefully y'all can see. Alright. Now, should I connect the wire first? Try to see if I can make it reach it. Well, from right here, all right, if y'all remember earlier, plug my light back in. All right, so y'all seen earlier, we're going to this one pin and to this one pin. So we do got the battery unplugged. So that's going there like such. Then the other one, same way. Same way. Oh no. You know what, y'all? I kind of messed up. Not really, but hold on. Because I also didn't use something else on here. So if y'all pay attention to these ends right here, they have heat shrink on it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and seal these because it's pretty much it is what it is. But like I said with the other stuff, I'm not gonna worry about it right now. We're gonna tape it just to make sure it's gonna work. Let me grab a lighter. Pause. All right, then we back. All right. All right, go. Boom. That's that one. Another thing I'm gonna go ahead and do too, I also have got some fuses, and it asks for a 5 amp fuse, so we got some 5 amps. We're gonna go ahead and throw both of them in yonder. Like my guy Cowboy say. Alright, so boom, let's go ahead and throw these fuses in here. Man, them things hard to get in there. Alright. Boom. got one fuse in there. And boom, throw the other fuse in there like that. Alright, so now let's go ahead and turn y'all back. And we just gonna, let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. Focus, focus, focus. Alright, so like we said, and both of these are switch power 12 volt. Throw her in there like such. Then got our other 12 volt. Plug her in there like such. Now on our panel, or if y'all remember on that paper, we got that red and the pink. So we're gonna run the red one. I know y'all hear that jet too, but I'm gonna keep going. We're gonna run the red one to this top one and the pink one to this one. All right, let's go. So we got the red and we got the pink. All right, so let's see. Man, and it's like that wire is like, man, it's only about like inch too short, man. Wire is only about an inch too short, so I know we got some wire over here. All in y'all face. What up, man? How you doing today? Got our wire right here. Got this 18 gauge. Let's go ahead and crack this thing open. Dang. Whew. Man, hey, I'm not knocking nobody who take their car to the shop. For real, this some bull. And I ain't gonna try to make it too long, you know what I'm saying? But I wanna give myself some room to play. So I'm only gonna probably make it about a good, hopefully y'all can see, bro. Hopefully about a good 6-7 inches. That's what she said. Oh man. Boy, hey, disclaimer. Once again, I am not a professional, nor do I claim to be. But, man, sometimes if you want some stuff done, you gotta do it yourself, man. Gotta do it yourself. I'm only gonna take off a little bit of the insulation. Don't need too much, especially, you know what I'm saying, if I'm gonna go back and redo the butt connectors. Like I said, we connecting it up now, seeing what it's gonna do, seeing what we're gonna get. Once we got everything hooked up and everything seems like it's good to go, then we're gonna rock out and clean it up, make it look how it's supposed to look. All right, so I'm grabbing that red wire from the back of that panel. Man, I wish y'all can see, bro. I wish y'all could see, bro. This is some BS. And I need some doggone eye pro on too. This, man. Let's see if I can get this way to route these joints. Alright, so this is my red. Come over here. Dang, I should have stripped that one back a little bit. While I got them all the way up there. Good gracious, man. Yeah, this rough. This is rough right here. I ain't complaining though. It's taking me this long to twist two wires together. Good God. Man, I'm gonna have to strip that wire back so. Oh man. Where's my, I definitely need the other strippers for this because those are too doggone big. Man, this thing is doggone whooping me, man. But I think what I'm gonna do, man, is because like those wires, you can probably see them right, like those wires are all like right here. And I mean, yeah, the wiring harness is about in the same location too, but man, it's hard to try to twist up wires like way up there. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pull this back out. I guess y'all can go sit in the house with me, or I might just go live and we can just extend these wires, man. Like that's truly what I think I'm about to do, because I can't do it laying. I mean, even though I moved the seat, you know, just laying like that and trying to like twist those wires together up there, and then I'm gonna have to wrap tape around them too up there. Yeah. So I think that's what I'm about to do, gang. We gonna get it done though. We definitely about to get it done. Boom. All right, y'all. So y'all see, we got all of our wires here extended. Man, what I am gonna do, I'm gonna wrap them up just so when I'm trying to feed them, they ain't all over the place. So I'm just put a couple of wraps of electrical tape around, you know, these just to, you know, for feeding purposes. All right, man. I'll see y'all back outside.
What are you doing?
Hmm?
What are you doing?
Nothing. Me? Just hanging around.
All right, y'all. Man, shoot, we outside, bro. Got everything pretty much extended, taped up, just so we can run it. Also taped up these here calibrators as well too, and I also put numbers on them because I know once I put it in, I want to be able to see the back of the board as well. So I just put them into place, you know, put the numbers on them, like from 1 to, oh Lord, y'all can't see, from 1 to 4, pretty much. All right, man, let's stop playing. Get this thing up in here, man. Hey, y'all cross y'all fingers for me, bro. Here we go, though. Got the wires back up in here. As y'all see, we got everything set back up. Let's try to get some more light. See if that'll be better over here. Hey. Alright, what up? Get my feet up in here. Alright, so man, the first ones we gonna try to get hooked up, to me, are the main important ones. Alright, so we're gonna try to get that both the powers, the pink and the red, hooked up, and the ground. And you know, the pink and red are gonna go to the fuse box, to those connectors that we put in here. Got some butt connectors over here as well. Hopefully y'all can see, man. It's kind of tight moving around. I wish I can give y'all like visuals, like, you know, but hey, we here now. Let's go ahead and get this done, man. Man, I could be cool if I could get this doggone wire harness out the way. I could probably just put some straps on that. All right, let's get these untaped. Should have on some iPro. All right. And I already marked these ends down here. I'm gonna take this other one off too. Oh, that doggone light done went off on me. Oh. Alright. So we got our red. We got our pink right here. Oh no, bro. Where that charger? I had to get my light working, man. Alright. Stop playing. Alright. And I'm gonna just make sure. I know I did put my marks on here, but we got the pink right here. I'm gonna just look back up. I got them running in. That is my pink wire right here. Man, oh, might have to do. Put some iPro on for real. What am I doing? Strippers. Now for those butt connectors, you don't need too much. Hopefully y'all can see, man. If it's not, guess we're gonna look at it anyway, eh? All right, so this first one, pink one, is gonna go to this one, which is the top one right here. That's my 12 volt. Got my butt connectors right here. This is the 16 to 22. And what you just do, man, I don't know if y'all can really see, but you put your wires in there halfway, then you crimp them on down. So, man, matter of fact, since we testing, we're not gonna crimp them down. We're gonna tape them for now. We're gonna tape them for now. So that's what we're gonna do. So let's twist these things up, get a good connection. Man, I'm gonna have to make these longer in order to twist them, because I don't want them to be like that. And I can just cut them back down a little bit, you know. I get ready to put them in those connectors. That much. That pink one back. Make sure it's the right one. Alright, so we got that one. Let's get the red. Let's move these out the way for now. Let them sit right there, because we don't even need them. Where is my red? Right here. Looking at it. My red wire. Where I put my... Dang, man. Trying not to make this video too long. I'm definitely gonna use some time lapse, but man, y'all bear with me, man, and I appreciate y'all for hanging out with your boy, man, tuning in to all of my videos, all of my shenanigans. Appreciate y'all for all the support, man. For real, for real. Dang, boy, your boy eyesight getting a little bad. Sheesh. Alright. Now, we got those in for the power, which should give us some light on that panel. Now, mind you, I bought this back in 2021, so I don't even know if this thing work or not. All right, and then just for safety, we're gonna hook up our ground. We're gonna hook up with the ground. Now, I wanna hook the ground coming from pin 11, right? Which is on that pin out, right? But I just want to test it. But I want to go ahead and do it though, just to see if it's gonna work. So let's get pin number 11 off of here, and you know what I'm saying? See if this thing gonna work, man. Alright, now how in the world am I gonna do this, bro? This joint right here. Alright, because I'm gonna have to verify which one is which. And what color is what color. Because, damn, this ain't gonna be easy neither. Huh? It ain't all cupcakes and rainbows, G. Alright, I'm trying to just straighten this out so I can kind of see. I know y'all can't see it. Boom. So, need a light, G. Alright, so it's gonna be on this side, and 11 is right there. I don't know if y'all can see it. I know y'all can't see it. Let me see. All right, let me grab my dikes. And let me cut off pin 11. Here we go with the cutting. Here we go. This what y'all been waiting for? All right, just so y'all can see what we doing, man. Y'all look up there. That's my pin. Lord, right here. If it focus, y'all see we going right there. We're gonna get pin 11, which is that black wire from up under there, and hook it to our ground from the panel right here. All right, let's set y'all back up. All right, man, so we got them wires hooked up. Got a little ground hooked up. Next thing to do, we're gonna try to see if we got power on it. So let me hook the battery up and let's see. All right, now, so we shouldn't have power on in there yet, cause we gotta turn the key on. Oh man, I'm kind of nervous, y'all. Oh, I'm kind of nervous. Whew. Let's see now. Everything ain't. Nothing. Nothing. Oh man. We don't got nothing. Alright, let's turn that off then. We know we got power because we heard the fuel pump. I don't smell nothing burning yet. No, we got power from there. My little test light at just in case. Let me see. Let me just check. Let's clip this on up here. Dang, man, I thought we was gonna have some power. Oh, it ain't gonna come on because the key ain't switched. Alright. See if we got. Dang. We don't have power there. Not unless it's, I can't get in there. Like I don't have power there. What in the world? Hold on, man. Let me check these to see. Shut it back off. Pull those out. Man, y'all bear with me, man. We grinding. We trying. We trying. That's what we is doing. Learning something. Alright. Let me see. Get these wires out the way. Alright, let me just see something. So where we was just at both of those, I got those switched out. Let me take this out. And let me take this out right here as well. Dang. Come on, focus. All right, where's my tests? Got. Dang, now I see I don't got no power right there. Dang, so I don't got power nowhere now? Wow. Hold on, not unless I got a bad ground. Dang, y'all bear with me, man. My fault, bro. Dang, bro. Try it again. Key is on. Dang, no power, bro. Oh, man. What have your boy done? What have your boy done, man? Ah, nah, y'all. Say it ain't so. Say it ain't so. We done messed something up, bro. Say it ain't so. 'Cause I ain't getting no readings from none of these now. None of them. And as y'all seen before on the video, we had power. We had power. Oh man, oh man. Well, man. All right, y'all. Looks like we had a bad ground. So as you see, we got power right here. We got power right there. So those was doggone right, man. Let me switch this back off. Those was my powers. Put them back up in there. And put this one back over here. Try to turn that power. Still ain't do nothing, man. Still didn't do anything. Let's just check to see if we still got power. Got power. Oh my God. Boy, y'all see, I'm about to mess something up, man. Let's see. Alright, so we got it plugged back in. Switch it. We got power. Got power. But still nothing happening on the dash, man. I don't know if it's because we might not have a good ground or what. So I'm going to do those two things real quick. I'm going to change the ground. And I'm going to also just look at this paperwork real quick and see if we're missing something else that we're going to need. Don't want to make this video too long, man. But yeah, man, y'all see that's what we about to do. We definitely about to get into this wiring. Man, if you're new here, please remember hit that like, comment, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Man, let's get into this wiring. Y'all know this weekend my birthday, man. Hey, go ahead and tune in. Friday night, we're gonna have a roast. You know what I'm saying? I guess I'm gonna have to take some punches. Don't mean I ain't gonna hold no punches though. But man, salute to y'all. I appreciate each and every single one of y'all. We almost at 900. Hopefully we can get it up, you know what I'm saying, before my birthday. At least we can have 900. Hopefully we can have 1,000 by my birthday, man. Run this up. Let's run it up, man. Salute to y'all. Let's get it. I think we found our problem.